Yeah, probably the geraniums. Oh. Oh, hi. How you doing? You alright? Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Kind of been a bit busy. I've been up to quite a lot of work and, well, I kind of forgot about you. I'm sorry. If there's any way I can make it up to you, it's cool. You know, but I know you deserve better. You deserve better. The problem is, you're a great fridge. But I can't get in a relationship with you. I'm not gay, I'm not a fridge artist, I'm not frigid, but I am celibate. Not necessarily willingly, but I don't like stress, and I don't like headaches from unnecessary drama. This is why I've never married, because I'm not an idiot, and you know that, fridge. That's why we've gone on for so long. Clever little thing. You're so cool the way you keep all my goods chilled. Oh, so many pints of milk have been preserved in your goodness. I do not take your duty lightly, sir. I'd give you a medal if there were medals for giving to fridges. In fact, that's a good idea for a business startup. Medals for objects, everyday items that have done you a good service and need a magnetic or a sticky badge of valour. I can think of a few items that I'd put one of those babies on, you know what I'm saying, baby? Hey! Now, are we cooking or what? Man. They never tell me I don't know how to party. Because I know how to party, don't I, baby? You and me. It's been a long ride. Long ride from Oklahoma to Tipperary and then back in time for tea. You know what I'm saying? Cool biscuits. I feel it, baby. I feel you. You know what I'm saying? Your chilled radial vectors are just really making me clammy. I think I'm gonna get inside you. You know? You've never really been this close before. I'm going to pull back in case you're offended. I don't want to violate you. Jesus Christ, you're my fridge. You know, I just want to care for you, you know. Just hold you when you're down, when you're broken, when you need de-icing. I've had so many good memories, just me and you. In the evenings with beer. You look after those beers so well. I love you. I love you. I must compose myself. The redolent activity of my neurons within my tear duct system is beginning to germinate fondness of emotion. And as a psychotic entry into the field of biblical reality. I can't allow that to happen, fridge. Do you understand? Do you understand? I will be the reckoning! Right. Sorry, what was that? What is it you wanted? Oh yeah, tomato ketchup. Who puts tomato ketchup in a fridge? Only the Heinz weirdos.